Question 19. Anne and Ben each have a savings account. The ratio of Anne to Ben saving, Anne to Ben is 7:5. They each spend $60 from their savings. So they spend equal amount. When they spend equal amount, difference will not change. Okay? So, primary school question. If you apply primary school way, difference unchanged. Okay? 7 minus 5, the difference is 2. That's the ratio for at first. In the end, Anne to Ben is 3:2. Okay? So, the difference in the end is 3 minus 2 is a 1. However, difference should be the same. So, since here is 2 and here is 1, to make it the same, I will multiply by 2 throughout here. I will get 6:4:2. Okay, then from here I can solve. Alright, I just look at, okay, how did it change? From 7 units become 6 units means I minus 1 unit. Okay, from 5 units become 4 unit for B is also minus 1 unit. And why did they each minus 1 unit? Is because they each spend $60. So 1 unit is 60. How much money N now have in the account is 6 units. So 6 units is 6 times 60 equals to 360. Okay, and that's your answer for this question. This is primary school question. Now, if you don't like the primary school way of doing difference unchanged, or you might have forgotten how to do this, you might have forgotten, spending equal amount of difference unchanged, you can also use algebra. So let me also provide you with the second way of doing. Alright, so this is method 1 and method 2. Okay, what you can do is, okay, from the first ratio right here, okay, you can let this be x. Okay, and the second ratio right here, you can let it be y. So what happened is, starting with 7x, okay, you spend $60, you minus 60, and now you left with 3y, right? First equation. For Ben, you started with 5x, you also spend 60, now Ben left with 2y. Okay, you can do simultaneous, it's also possible. If you want to find N now has in the account, okay, you are actually finding 3y, okay, which is this one. And to find y, we have to make x the same, right? We have to make x the same. So to make x the same, if here is 7 and here is 5, to make x the same, I will times 5 and I will times 7, right? Okay, so I will get 35x minus 300 equals to 15y for this. And if I times 7, here is 35x minus 420 equals to 14y, okay? Which comes from this. Okay, so I'm going to let this be equation 1. I'm going to let this be equation 2. To get rid of my x, okay, I will take equation 1 minus equation 2. So I will take 35x minus 300, okay, equation 1 minus equation 2 minus 35x minus 420 equals to 15y minus 14y. Alright, so the 35x, I minus away 35x, it will be gone already, okay? It will be gone already. Then I left with negative 300. My negative times negative 420 is a positive 420. Okay, 15y minus 14y is a y. Alright, so currently you have y equals to 420 minus 300, you have 120. So you want to find 3y is 3 times 120, you get 360. Okay, so it will give you the same answer as well, right? Okay, that's another way of doing. In fact, there are more ways of doing it, but I will just stop at these 2 ways, okay? There are many ways of solving this question.